Namaskar and welcome to my channel. So today we will learn theorem 7.2, which says that angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. That means angles opposite to equal side is this side and this particular side of this triangle are equal. That means ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so if these two sides are equal, then the angle opposite to the equal side, that means this particular angle, let me mark it as 1, and this particular angle, let me mark it as 2. These two angles we have to prove that they are equal. For that, we have to construct this particular part. We have to start from A. We will draw angle bisector of A. Mark it as D. Okay, so let us start with the restatement. Okay, so what is given in the statement? Angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Okay, so that means this particular line is given in theorem 7.2, and we will again rewrite this statement in our own words based on the diagram that we have drawn. Clear? So here I will write ABC. C is an isosceles triangle with sides AB equal to AC. So after restatement, what we will write? Required to prove. So what we need to prove? We need to prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Is it not? Okay. So now, to prove that particular part, we need to construct an angle bisector from angle A to side BC, isn't it? That means angle bisector AD is drawn on angle A. Okay. Now next, proof. What we need to prove? We need to prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 2, isn't it? So what we will write? In triangle ABD and triangle ACD, comma, angle, okay, not angle, it will be AB is equal to AC given. Okay, then angle 3 is equal to angle 4 by construction. Okay, then AD is common. That means this particular side is equal to this particular side. This particular angle is equal to this particular angle by construction, and this particular side is common for both the triangles. That means triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by side angle side. Hence, what can we say? We can say that therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Reason is it. So after this particular part is over, what you will write? Therefore, angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Down you will write. Is that clear? What you will write? after this part is over, that means hence we have proved that the base angles of an what? Isosceles triangle. That means angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. That particular part you have to write it here.